Welcome to Libby Tutorial. Libby provides the services of Electronic Lab Notebook and Laboratory Information Management System. In this tutorial, I am going to introduce how Libby ELN and LIMS are designed. Unlike the traditional file system, that places files inside folders, Libby does not use the file to represent a document. Instead, we use a record. A record in Libby is more like a database row, and it contains many attributions. As such, all records created at Libby are at the same level. There are no folders to group them. One record can be tagged with one or many projects. A project in Libby is similar to a folder. To create a record, the users do not need to navigate to a folder first. One or many projects can be assigned to a record during the creation. And they can be easily updated just like other attributions. To view a list of records, the users do not need to open a folder. By clicking a table, and a list of the same type of records will be displayed. This is called list view in Libby. For each record, the project information is displayed. To display the records that belong to a particular project, select a project in the project drop-down or side menu. To open a record, click a name in the list view. The newly opened page displayed all details of a record, and is called the detail view in Libby. Libby uses columns to store structured data, and sections to store unstructured data. The columns view displayed all structured data related to this record, and the section view shows all unstructured data of the record. This design enables researchers to configure the platform to store any type of research data. For the new users, there is a learning curve, but once they understand the design principle, it is related easy to use. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. If you would like to learn more about Libby ELN and LIMS, you can schedule a free online demo at schedule.libby.com.